if you're after a 4K touchscreen field monitor for your camera for under $200, look no further, this is the one for you. So this is the Viltrox DC-550 Pro touchscreen 5.5-inch LED field monitor, and I've been really impressed with this, using it over the last few weeks for my overhead shots and taking it out and about on shoots, and this has been a really great option for especially taking outside. It's got a 1200 nit really bright LED screen which is full HD, and it looks fantastic, looks really true to life. Also for out and about in bright sunlight, it comes with this quick release hood as well in the box, which you clip on there and then it pops up like that. I've never seen that sort of design. It flips out and then covers the whole front like that, and then you push it back down like that and pop it back down, so it protects the screen as well for transporting and portability. So really great field monitor with that hood on there as well. That comes in the box, then when you don't want to use it, just pops off, put it to the side. The other great thing about this is that it has multiple charging options. It comes with the NP F550 battery, which you can put in the back and keep yourself going, but it can be charged via the built-in DC port and a Type C 5-volt in port as well. That's a great option. That gives you multiple options for charging the device and keeping it powered while you're on the shoot. It's got all the pro level colour and focus monitoring systems built into this as well. You can monitor your false colour, you can do zebras, and you can also have the focus peaking on here as well, which I do like using for when I'm doing my overhead shots in the studio over there. So all the professional features are built into this, and it's a touchscreen. So you have got these selection buttons on the top. These buttons on here are fully customizable, by the way, so you can change the function of each of these F1, F2 and F3 buttons. But if you don't want to use the buttons, you can also use this dial for navigating the menu there. That's a push button and then scrolling, but it is touchscreen as well. They do two versions, a touchscreen and a non-touchscreen version. So these are all of the options for the non-touchscreen options, but I've got the touchscreen, and here you can navigate through the menu by just simply touching the screen. It's really responsive, works very well. On the top here you have got a SD card slot as well, which allows you to import your own 3D LUTs on here, so you can have live monitoring of your colour grade whilst you're filming the footage. That's a must-have option for a lot of professionals out there, so you've got that built in. You've also got HDMI in and out here, so you can have a HDMI pass-through, so that's a great option. You can put your camera in here and then monitor it on a laptop or a bigger monitor on like a professional setup. So nothing's perfect. There is one con that I've noticed I would have liked to use, especially for my overhead rig over there, is you can't flip the screen in the menu horizontally, which is a bit of a drawback for my particular use case, but that's the only downside to this that I've found. It comes in the box with the carry case as well, really good quality carry case. Comes with the HDMI cables, micro and mini HDMI cables in here built in, so you can connect it to your camera. Also a USB-C charging cable for keeping it charged, and then you've got the mount, the cold shoe mount, that you can mount it directly to your camera's cold shoe as well. Like I said, the reflection hood and the battery as well, so comes with all the kit that you need to get filming on a pro level. So it's brilliant, really do fully recommend it, and for under $200 I think it's the only option you should be looking at the moment. It's fantastic quality. Okay, that's it for this one. That is a Viltrox DC-550 Pro field monitor. If you do want to grab one, there will be a link in the description down below, and if you don't mind subscribing while you're down there, really do appreciate it. Give this video a like as well, it really does help. Okay, that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Bye guys.